To share whiteboard content, you'll need a Kaptivo, a simple cloud-connected camera that sits atop your whiteboard. Once connected, just go to kaptivo.live on any web browser to start a session. Then, click the control pad button to see a live stream of your whiteboard. Once you're ready to take a snapshot of your board, go to Share and then Post Snapshot to Slack. Select your Slack team and then authorize Kaptivo to access it. Then, just enter your channel and click Post. That's it. Now, if you go to your Slack channel, everyone can see the whiteboard snapshot you just posted. Others can even click on the link and be taken to the live view of your board.